Hello and welcome back to KTV India with me Varsha Venugopal. Today we bring you a special report on one of Kannada cinema's most talked about upcoming releases, The Devil, starring Kannada superstar Darshan, so-called D-Boss. Despite intense legal challenges, emotional turmoil and repeated delays, the film has now officially logged its release date. Darshan, currently logged in Bengaluru Central Prison in connection with the high-profile Renuka Swami murder case, has been unable to participate in promotions. But the film's team says they could wait no longer. Here's the full story of what is happening around Darshan's highly anticipated film. The Devil is set to hit the big screens on December 11th. The announcement was made on Tuesday in Bengaluru at a press conference held by the film's production team. Interestingly, the press meet was originally planned only after Darshan's release. However, with ongoing legal complications and repeated delays, the makers decided to go ahead without their leading man. Addressing the media, director Prakash Veer expressed deep regret, saying, "We waited till now and today we are holding the press meet. People, please forgive us for the delay. Unfortunately, even today, Darshan couldn't join us." He described Darshan as the strength of an elephant, someone who has always been powerful support system for the team. Director Prakash Veer confirmed that Darshan had completed both shooting and dubbing for The Devil during the period he was out on bail. He praised the actor's commitment, saying there was no difference in his performance, even after he returned to set following days in custody. The director also clarified a common asked question. The title, The Devil, was not selected for shock value. He stated that the name was chosen because it perfectly matched the story and its central themes, rather than for marketing attention. The film also stars Sharmila Mandre, Ranjana Rai and Achyut Kumar in key roles. For viewers unfamiliar with case, Darshan, along with Pavitra Gowda and 15 others, was arrested on July 11 for alleged kidnapping and murdering 33-year-old Renuka Swami. He spent 131 days in custody before receiving interim bail on October 30th, 2024 on medical grounds to undergo spine surgery. Later, the Karnataka High Court granted him a regular bail on December 13th, 2024. However, in a major development, the Supreme Court cancelled his bail on August 13th, 2025, leading to his return to judicial custody. As Darshan remains at Bengaluru Central Prison, the team behind The Devil continues to prepare for December 11th, 2025 release. The makers say they hope the audience will support the film for its story, performances and the hard work that went into completing it during turbulent times. The release of The Devil comes at a time when Darshan's legal battle is still unfolding and public interest is at an all-time high. Whether the film becomes a commercial success or not, it has already attracted massive attention due to the circumstances surrounding its lead star. We'll keep you updated on all further developments. Thank you for watching KTV India.